playing out there. Just final run. Taking it all the way through. We worked on a lot of different things today. We made some pretty significant changes to the show. It's all going to make the show better, but not unless you focus and concentrate and perform them. This is your last shot, all the way through. Are the judges ready? The judges are ready. Is the band ready? New Milford High School, marching band and color guard. You may now take the field in competition.
Kendall. Something wrong with the instrument? Got it? Play it.
No sound.
Is it just really soft? You gotta hear that. You play it so well. I know you can do it. I believe in you. I have faith in you, Kendall. Let me hear that opening statement. Is that how you're going to play it? Play it how you're going to play it. Nice. Just like that. You got this. Are the judges ready? The judges are ready. Is the band ready? Obviously not, because you're having conversations in the back of the field. You know we can see through the prop, right? So if you're turning around talking, we're going to see that, right? Take it, Sam.
Play it again, Sam.
Watch somebody know you got nothing else to go off.
Yeah, it's a whole world better. Nice. Good job with enough car lines. All right, man, I gotta go. It looks a lot better, Dave. It really does. We're gonna be okay. If I had to judge this performance, we're like 5 points better in the week, and that's a good place to be.
Hey, Shay, there's a piece of foam. It looks like it came off of something. Can you just throw that in the mail bag or something? It's Michael's, so Michael, you hold it.